Imagine discovering that your work was secretly being used to train AI without your permission. That's exactly what happened when Mark Zuckerberg approved a controversial decision that's now exposed Meta's biggest AI scandal. The evidence? A leaked memo that changes everything. What happens when one of the world's most powerful tech companies allegedly cuts corners in the race to develop artificial intelligence? Today, we're uncovering a story that could change how AI is developed forever, and it all starts with Mark Zuckerberg making one controversial decision. Setting the scene in the competitive world of artificial intelligence, companies are racing to create the smartest AI systems possible. But how they're doing it might surprise you. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, is now at the center of a storm that's shaking the foundations of AI development. Later in our story, we'll reveal how Meta's own employees raised serious concerns about this decision. But first, let's understand what actually happened. The LibGen controversy. At the heart of this controversy is something called LibGen, or Library Genesis. Think of it as a massive digital library, but there's a catch: it's not your ordinary library. LibGen is what experts call a shadow library, originating from Russia and containing millions of books, novels, and scientific articles. The crucial detail? None of these materials were legally obtained. According to recent court documents, Mark Zuckerberg personally approved the use of this controversial database to train Meta's AI models. This decision wasn't made in a dark corner of the company, it went straight to the top. The financial implications of this decision are staggering, and we reveal the exact numbers shortly. But first, let's look at what happened inside Meta's walls. Internal concerns. The story takes an interesting turn when we look at Meta's internal communications. The company's own AI executive team wasn't comfortable with this decision. They specifically warned that using LibGen, a dataset known to be pirated, could seriously damage Meta's reputation and position with regulators. Picture this scenario. Meta's engineers were so uncomfortable with the situation that they hesitated to even download these materials on their company laptops. One internal message revealed their discomfort, stating that torrenting from a Meta-owned corporate laptop doesn't feel right. While these internal concerns were brewing, a group of prominent creators was about to take action that would expose everything, but more on that in a moment. The legal battle. This is where our story takes a dramatic turn. A group of renowned creators, including celebrated author Ta-Nehisi and popular comedian Silverman, decided to fight back. They filed a lawsuit against Meta in 2023, claiming their books were used without permission to train Llama, Meta's large language model that powers its chatbots. The legal implications are massive. To put this in perspective, last year, a New York federal court ordered LibGen's anonymous operators to pay an astronomical $30 million in damages for copyright infringement. But the real bombshell was yet to come, and it involved direct evidence of executive involvement. The smoking gun. The most damaging evidence came in the form of an internal memo. Using Mark Zuckerberg's initials, MZ, the memo clearly stated that, after escalation to MZ, Meta's AI team has been approved to use LibGen. This direct line to Zuckerberg's involvement makes the case particularly significant. The bigger picture. This controversy isn't just about Meta, it's about the future of AI development itself. Companies need vast amounts of data to train their AI models, but at what cost? The creative community argues that using their work without permission threatens their livelihoods and established business models. Current status and future implications. While U.S. District Judge Vince Chabria initially dismissed some claims about text generation and copyright management information, this story isn't over. The authors have been granted permission to amend their claims, meaning this legal battle is far from finished. And what we're about to reveal about the potential consequences could reshape the entire tech industry. The future at stake. This case could set precedents that affect every tech company developing AI. It raises crucial questions. How should companies legally obtain training data? What rights do creators have? And most importantly, how do we balance technological progress with protecting intellectual property? As this story continues to unfold, one thing is clear: the way AI is developed is under intense scrutiny. Whether Meta's decision will lead to significant changes in AI development practices remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the days of using unauthorized content for AI training might be numbered. So if you are curious about how the AI superchips could make artificial intelligence 30 times more powerful, tap the video on your screen now to uncover the future.